Hello, welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing you how to do the bird farming method in the Mogwin Dynasty, yeah, Palace Approach Ledge Road. This is a secret area, I mean, you'll get there, but once you're here, a lot of people, they do this farming method, they get a big AoE attack, and they just kill all these guys. But there's a better way. This bird, see? I missed. See, yeah, now it's running at me, Bam! He's going off the edge. And see how many souls I get. Wow, that's a lot of souls, almost 20k. Keep in mind I am using the gold scarab and I've used a gold pickled foot, Nathan. And we're just gonna repeat this method. Now, say you do it over here, right? You wanna do it over here because you're a little bit lazy. Oh, that also works. Look at that. And I recently, you see I have 500k souls. I went from 0 to 500k. I'm gonna say 10 minutes, honestly. That's how fast this farming method is. And I've been just doing this over and over. Now say, oh shit. Say you hit him, like over here, right? Okay. Hold on. Alright, so you hit him over here, right? He's running. And you go back to the bonfire. You see, like, yeah, he's dead. Alright. Never mind, I want to show you something. You have to be standing pretty close to the edge in order for him to, like, you know, do his thing. See, let me preemptively go back to the bonfire. Shoot him a little bit. Alright, there. Now, alright, he's dead, right? I'm gonna sit down and respawn him. Nope. Alright. Alright. It's a pretty suicidal day. I guess he just wants to die. But, well, I wanted to show you because, again, sometimes he doesn't go off the edge. He just chills a little bit. Alright. Try it again. But yeah, basically this farming method is very good. I would say it's better than killing these guys. You get a lot more souls than killing a bird. I mean, you only need to kill one bird, right? Hey. Alright. Let me just try again, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Alright, hit him, right? Oh, alright, went down. But yeah, as you can see, that spot that I'm shooting from is very good. You want to get it right against this little guy over here, right over there. But say you shoot it from over here, right? There's a branch in the way, maybe you won't hit him. But see, right, he's just standing still. I hit him, right? I'm like, alright. Yeah. Here, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. But sometimes he looks like he's gonna run off the edge, but he doesn't actually run off. Let me try to get this to work. This used to happen to me a lot, but I'm actually very consistent now with it. He's actually not running off the edge. Let's run away. Alright, he died. Almost 600k souls, pretty good. Goodbye. Yep. Alright, let's shoot him. Right? Did I hit him? Nope. It seems I'm not going back a little bit. You want to catch him when he's going over here. Yeah, see, alright. But anyway, so he backs off like that, and when he does that, basically you can't lure him back, and you pretty much just have to like sit back out of the bonfire, so that's pretty much the only thing you need to watch out for. You'd be close to the edge. Here, I'll show you the exact spot that I stand usually. Let's take a little bit of perfection. Like right here where these messages are. And pretty much, you could use a bow, but I use a crossbow, easier, 3 shots. This is the pulley cross bow plus TN. You got the buckler, pulley cross nignita, and clean rod knights. So basically, yep. That was the tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Joey kiss face on the lips.